Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are gonna make chocolate chip cookies for the second time. Yeah, second time in the channel. Ingredients are 1/2 cup of salted butter, but this is not salted, this is unsalted. Yeah, 1/2. And 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup this is, and 1/2 cup of white sugar. And 1 whole egg, and 1 1/2 flour. One and one 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. This is baking soda, and it's the other name of baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. And one cup chocolate chips. We don't have, but we do the chocolate one. No chips, only chocolate. Or maybe this chocolate. The note said, if using unsalted butter, add 1/4 teaspoon salt into the flour mixture. Yeah, and then this is bowls, two bowls, and a mixing whisk. Okay, and that's all. Let's start. The first step, put the butter. Next, the brown sugar. Next is 1/2 sugar. After all of that, you mix. After you mix, you put the egg. There is the egg. Continue mixing. Make sure everything will be well combined. Put 1/2 teaspoon vanilla. Next, we put the flour. We put the flour. Next is the chocolate chip. Next is 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. 1/4 of teaspoon of salt, and we mix. This is the wet and this is the dry ingredients. We are gonna put the dry one here. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. It's not perfectly clean. Then we mix. Perfect. Much of it is flour. We are mixing the ingredients. Also preheat the oven. This is this is the mixed, and then this is baking paper. We are gonna put this one here. All right, let's go. This is the cookies. Okay, we are gonna put in the oven for 370. We are gonna do 350 Fahrenheit. For 12 to 14 minutes. Are done. We need 12 cookies. Now we taste. Yum. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.